Hello guys, welcome back to another AMC Problem and Solution video. Today we have yet another question here, and as always, let's first start off by reading the question. So, the first three terms of a geometric sequence are the integers a, 720, and b, where a is going to be smaller than 720 and 720 is going to be smaller than b. What is the sum of the digits of the least possible value of b? Now we can see here that b here is going to be equal to 720r, where r is the ratio in the geometric sequence, and a is going to be equal to 720 divided by r. Now we can see here that r has to be bigger than 1 for this to be correct, and this means that, let's just say that r is going to be equal to x over y, where x and y are the denominators and numerators. We can see that for b and a to both be integers, x and y both have to be a factor of 720. So let's first start off by factoring 720. We see that 720 is going to be equal to 2 to the power 4 times 3 squared times 5. So from here, since we have that r has to be bigger than 1, and r is going to be equal to xy, and r has to be as small as possible, for b to be as small as possible but still be bigger than 720, we see that r has to be, for example, x over y, where x is only slightly bigger than y. Now, there's many different possibilities for this. For example, you can say that r could be equal to like 4 over 3 or 6 over 5, and these would both match, but we need the smallest possible value of r, and the only possible value of that is going to be if r is going to be equal to the power 4 over 3 times 5, or it's just going to be equal to 16 over 15. This is the smallest possible value of r for which both the denominator and numerator are both factors of 720, and it still will be bigger than 1. And so this means that we just need to plug in r into a and b. So let's first plug it into a to make sure that a and b are both integers. So a here is going to be equal to 720 multiplied by 15 over 16. So I just flipped r around. I'll be the same thing as dividing it, and this is going to be equal to 625, which is smaller than 720, so we know that this works. And then we look at b, it's going to be the same thing, but flipped. So 16 over 15, which is going to be equal to 768. So this means that the answer to this problem should be, well, the sum of the digits of b, or 7 plus 6 plus 8, which is going to be equal to 21. So this means that the answer to this problem should be E, or 21. Thank you guys for listening, and if you guys have any other way to solve this problem, please let me know down below in the comments, and thank you guys for listening. Bye.